Little Rhumba is a 32 count 4-wall dance. And we're going to be dancing with the rumba rhythm. So if you've watched the tutorial video about rumba boxes, explained a little bit in there about the rumba rhythm. It means we're going to be stepping on 3 beats of music and holding on the 4th. We're going to start with a rumba box. Travelling out to the left, you're going to step the left to the side, step the right next to it and put the weight in the right, step forward on the left and hold for 1 beat of music. Then we step the right to the side, step the left next to it, putting the weight in the left and step back on the right and hold for 1 beat. Okay? So we made like a box shape. So we'll recap, going out to the left, side together, forward on the left, hold, side together, back on the right, hold. And when you dance this, you don't use the same foot twice. So you don't want to make the mistake of stepping side together, equal weight, and coming forward on the right. That's wrong. You want to step left, right, right, left, right. Keep it alternate feet and you'll be fine. Okay, so let's take it again from the beginning. First rumba box, going forward, out to the left to start, ready and side together, forward, hold, side together, back, hold. Now we want to do a rumba box going behind us. So we step out to the left, side together, back, hold, side together, forward, hold. So we've danced one rumba box coming in front, and then we've danced one coming behind, if you like. Yes? We'll put them together, out to the left, ready, and side together, forward, hold, side together, back, hold, side together, back, hold, side together, forward, hold. Now we're going to travel out to the left, side, close, side, close, side, hold. We're going to cross rock. So you take the right across and recover onto the left for a cross rock. Yes, a cross rock. And then you make a turn to your new wall, quarter turn to the right, stepping down on the right. Okay, so cross rock, right over left, cross rock, turn onto the right, hold. Okay, so that little section, out to the left, side, close, side, close, side, hold, cross, rock, turn onto the right, hold. Add it on from the beginning. Rumba box, out to the left, ready and side together, forward, hold, side together, back, hold, side together, back, hold, side together, forward, hold, side, close, side, hold, cross, rock, turn, hold. From here, you're going to finish off with lock steps. You step the left forward, step the right in behind it, step the left forward. That's your left lock, then a hold. Then you're going to mirror that to the right, step the right forward, step the left in behind it, step the right forward, hold. Okay, so those lock steps. You have the weight in the right, step forward on the left, lock the right in behind, left. Now to the right diagonal, right, lock the left in behind, right. Okay, and those lock steps just very slightly out to the diagonals. So I'll show you facing front, left, lock, left, hold, right, lock, right, hold, hold. Now add it on from the beginning, starting with your rumba box, out to the left, ready and side together, forward, hold, side together, back, hold, side together, back, hold, side together, forward, hold, side, close, side, hold, cross, rock, turn, hold, left, lock, left, hold, right, lock, right, hold. Okay? So that's your first wall. I'll do it for you with the counts. Out to the left, ready and 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Now let's dance your second wall facing 3 o'clock. Starting with your rumba box, stepping out to the left. Ready, and side together, forward, hold, side together, back, hold, side together, back, hold, side together, forward, hold, side close, side hold, cross rock, turn onto the right, hold, left lock, left hold, right lock, right hold. Now we'll do the back wall, facing 6 o'clock, rumba box out to the left, ready, and side together, forward hold, side together, back hold, side together, back hold, side together, forward hold, side close, side hold, cross rock, turn hold, left lock, left hold, right lock, right hold. Now we'll dance our last wall facing 9 o'clock, rumba box out to the left, ready, and side together, forward hold, side together, back hold, side together, back hold, side together, forward hold, side close, side hold, cross rock, turn hold, left lock, left hold, right lock, right hold. Now just to link the end with beginning, you've done your locks, left lock, left hold, right lock, right hold, rumba box, side together, forward hold, side together, back hold. Okay, let's dance around the 4 walls without stopping. Ready, and side together, forward hold, side together, back hold, side together, back hold, side together, forward hold, side close, side hold, cross rock, turn hold, left lock, left hold, right lock, right hold, side together, forward hold, side together, back hold, side together, back hold, side together, forward hold, side close, side hold, cross rock, turn hold, left lock, left hold, right lock, right hold, rumba, side together, forward hold, side together, back hold, side together, back hold, side together, forward hold, side close, side hold, cross rock, turn hold, left lock, left hold, right lock, right hold, rumba, side together, forward hold, side together, back hold, side together, back hold, side together, forward hold, side close, side hold, cross rock, turn hold, left lock, left hold, right lock, right hold. Well done.